The thing I love the most about the July workout schedule is that we have 2 brand new 30-minute full body workouts that are standing only. Yes, you do not have to get on the floor one time. I know you're gonna love that. In the first 3 weeks of July, we're going to be doing full body workouts on Monday. On Tuesdays, we're going to be doing arms, back, upper body workouts. On Wednesdays, we're going to focus on abs. On Thursdays, we're going to do cardio and fat burning workouts. And on Fridays, we are going to be doing lower body workouts. The last 2 weeks of July, we're going to drop one of those full body workouts and replace it with a lower body workout. So by the end of the month, we're going to be training lower body twice a week, abs once a week, upper body once a week, and cardio and fat burning exercises once a week. I will continue to provide my premium members with early access to all my YouTube content, so you guys get an email on Sundays letting you know everything that's going to be dropping on YouTube way before anyone else knows. All the workouts in the schedule are 30 minutes long, but I explained to you how to break it up and fit it into your schedule if you only have 10 or 20 minutes to work out. In addition to that, I will also be providing extra 5 and 10-minute workouts on my website for my premium members only, so you can reach all your goals. No excuses in July. This is your summer. In the July workout schedule, there are no repeat workouts. Every single day is different. But of course, if you fall in love with a particular workout and you want to do it again, you can simply save it to your favorites and do it over and over and over again. If you're a premium member, all you have to do is log in and you will see the schedule waiting for you. If you're not yet a premium member and all you have is YouTube access, you are missing out. Go on KobokoFitness.com, start a free trial today. Yes, that's the end of the video.